I'm John Crotts with King Law. I wanted to talk to you about do-it-yourself estate planning tools versus hiring an attorney to help you with an estate plan or drafting a will. So in the modern age of LegalZoom, other online tools and platforms that allow you to do your own will, a lot of people will ask me, John, why do I even need an attorney? I can just do all that online, right? My answer, yes, but should you? There's some reasons why you may want to avoid that. A lot of those forms are just trying their best to get you on the right path. They're basing it off of what they view to be, generic rules that are allowed in most states. But you have to keep in mind, each state is unique in what they allow and what they require on wills and other legal forms. So be careful about using those online forms or going to Staples or other big box stores and buying kits that might allow you to draft your own will or your own trust. See, attorneys go to school for a long time to learn laws and procedures, 7 years or more in undergraduate and law school training, and then each year go through continuing legal education. And your more seasoned attorneys have been practicing law for a number of years and have learned a lot of tricks of the trade and have learned how to craft these documents in such a way that will protect you. And if you do these wills, powers of attorney, trusts on your own, you could be opening yourself up for a lot of mistakes. And a lot of times it's not just what's in the document, but it's how the document is ultimately completed. Do you need to have a witness? If so, how many witnesses do you need? 1, 2, 3? Does the document need to be notarized? Do you do multiple originals or only one? Do the documents get filed somewhere? Where do the originals go once completed to preserve them for safekeeping? There's a lot of important decisions and procedural steps that have to be followed to make sure that the documents comply with state law, and you want to be mindful of that. There's some other forms that you might come across. For example, some hospitals will offer healthcare power of attorneys. That's fine in the event of an emergency if you or a loved one has no choice but to, in a rush, execute one of these powers of attorney so that someone can make those healthcare decisions. But I would be much more favorable of you having your healthcare power of attorney prepared by an experienced estate planning attorney as they're doing other estate planning documents for you, including your general power of attorney, your last will and testament, your trust, or any other estate planning documents that's best for your situation. At King Law, we've seen a lot of different scenarios, and we could tell you a lot of horror stories of situations where people thought they had done a good job of doing their own will or their own estate plan, and it turned out that for whatever reason, the document was not legally binding. And when that happens, those documents get challenged in court, and someone who thought they were going to save a few $100s by not having an attorney prepare a will ends up costing their family tens of thousands of dollars in litigation when they have to go to court and fight over the document. So having an attorney draft these documents will give you the peace of mind of knowing that they're done correctly and will allow you to sleep good at night. I personally am a fan of allowing professionals to do their trade, and I stay in my lane and do my thing. I don't change my own oil. I don't diagnose my own medical problems, and I don't do my own taxes. So I think you will be well rewarded to allow an attorney to handle these things for you rather than risking doing them yourselves. And if we can help walk through that with you, please give us a call. We'd love to schedule a consultation and dive into your unique estate planning needs. Thanks.